If you've tried selling a camper before, you know exactly how difficult it can be. You end up answering messages all day of, "Hi, is this still available?" into which you don't get a response back, and that's because you're not finding the right buyers. Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm the founder of RoadRoamer.co. I built RoadRoamer because when I was selling my van, I had no idea where to list, and no one was really helping me, so RoadRoamer became my baby. Right now, amazing camper builds are scattered all over Facebook, random marketplaces, and all over social media. Sellers can pretty much list them wherever they want, but buyers have no idea where to actually find the good ones. The problem isn't the camper, it's the exposure. RoadRoamer isn't just a listing website. When you list your camper on RoadRoamer, I am actively helping you find the right buyer. Your listing doesn't just sit online. It gets promoted to real van life audiences and communities where real buyers are already looking. Listings are shared beyond the website, across van life groups, social media pages, and audiences already interested in camper builds. Think of it almost like having a broker helping you promote your camper, except I don't take commissions. RoadRoamer is built for anyone selling a camper, whether you're a professional builder, a DIYer, a weekend warrior, or a unique one-off build. This platform was built for you. I started RoadRoamer because when I was selling my van, I noticed it wasn't getting the views that I thought it deserved sitting on other listing websites. So I created the RoadRoamer method, which is sharing it on any platform I can find that'll help people find the right buyers for their builds. So if you're selling a camper or planning to, list it on RoadRoamer.co and let me help you find the right buyers. I'm giving away 10 free Roam listings with the code FREEROAM at checkout. It'll get you a free listing and we can work together. I'm Kyle, this is RoadRoamer, and remember, search less, roam more.